Good morning, students. Happy Monday. Today is April 13th. We are on our second full week of teacher-led e-learning, so we're going to dive right in. Today, we are going to continue in the My Perspectives online textbook, and you are going to be reading a blog post by a girl who has climbed Mount Everest. This is called To the Top of Everest, and it is super interesting. The first thing that we want to do, though, is kind of get ourselves introduced to the topic and make sure we have a lot of background knowledge. So the first two activities for today, you are going to watch two videos. One is called Drone Footage of Mount Everest, and one is called Everest Getting to the Top. They're both National Geographic movies. They're pretty short, but you just need to watch them on YouTube. And remember, when you are done, click on this box and then check the Mark Completed box so that we know you have done these two things. So watching these two videos is first. The next thing you're going to do is do some pre-reading vocabulary, and this looks like this. So what you're going to be doing is finding a definition for the words on the left-hand side, and then you're going to create a couple synonyms for the word. So you can use a thesaurus, and what's really handy is that they're both, the dictionary and the thesaurus are linked up here. So for definitions, you can find them here on the Learner's Dictionary, and for synonyms, you can use the thesaurus right here. So both of those resources are linked. Once that is done, you need to mark that and complete. This is going to be an assessment that is actually in your assessments tab. If you click this link, it will take you there, and you need to look for the pre-reading vocab assignment. Once the vocab is done, then you need to go to this document. This document is also found in your assessments tab. However, if you click this link, it will take you directly there. So to the top of Everest, questions look like this. Today, you are only responsible for doing the first 5 questions. And spoiler alert, you have already watched the 2 videos linked in question 4. So that is kind of a freebie. You've already done that, and it will just help you understand the story. Once you have completed the first 5 questions in the pre-reading, please mark this as complete. Now, if you get done with all of this pretty quickly and you would like to challenge yourself, there is an extension activity that is related to vocab. And that is up to you. If you have the time and you would like to continue to learn and push yourself, please feel free to continue on to this. However, this is not required. So these are the things that you are doing today. You're watching 2 videos, you're doing a pre-reading vocab assignment, and you are doing 5 pre-reading questions. Please make sure you are marking them as complete when you're done. And that is it. So if you have any questions, let us know, and we are happy to help you. Emailing would be great, and you can also jump in onto a drop-in Zoom session from 9 to 10 a.m. or 1 to 2 p.m.